What's going on? Mike from RestoMods. This is our 1969 GMC shop truck. It's got a Vortex 6-liter automatic transmission. This is our little project. We're gonna start with some brakes and suspension and get this thing pimped out. Right next to me here is our 1964 Corvette Stingray, and this is a sweepstakes car. So every 3 months, RestoMods does a car club sweepstakes. Everything that you could possibly want in a 64 Corvette, this thing has, and you can win it. ZZ4 350, it's got a Holley tri-power Demon carburetor setup, adjustable suspension. This car is absolutely mint. Head to toe, fully restored. So check out RestoMods.com. Thank you, Performance Online, for throwing this awesome cruise, letting us come out and show off these beautiful cars.
Thank you for shopping with POL at PerformanceOnline.com.